Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Drinks with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just dey get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos or you will just know anytime we put video for. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So today we want to talk about Germans. E come be like say e come dey too much. Italy don full wey be say German pipo, if dem don deport some pipo go Nigeria, dem come wire some come Italy. I begin dey see pipo wey be say e don tey wey dem comot for Italy go Germany. The omomo wey dem even carry follow body go, e don grow finish, e don turn to big girl. When I even see some sef, I even come dey ask am say, na your sister be dis? He say, which sister? Na that pikin when I carry that time, na im be dis one so. The pikin don grow. You understand? They come still born some for there. Then they wire the come. And now all these people, they want start afresh again. They want start afresh again for their life. Especially the children, because they speak Dutch language. And now they want to start to speak Italian language again. And now they talk about the ones where they carry go as now. The ones where they carry come here. Because it can't be like say the children, they want start afresh again for their life. Because Dutch language, when they say they go school before, now Italian language dem wan come dey use, adults fit take cope, e easy for them to cope. Because this thing wey German people dey do so, I know say dem don try, dem don abon most of our people, fine, dem don still give some documents, fine, but make dem dey quick dey take action for their thing. If somebody just reach there, at least dem give the person 2 weeks, maximum 1 month. If dem no accept you, dem no accept you. If they accept you, they accept you. Because no be say you can't go there, you can't dey there ooo. All your men be say you don feel comfortable. At the end, they'll you push you, carry you go up, leave you make from up from ground gidigba. E get as e be. There are some people wey be say they even go there with 1 year, 2 years documents. They go read there say okay, maybe because e get one time, I no blame them as they comot. I see they talk am because I dey this country. E get one time wey be say this country hard. E hard well I no fit lie you, me and my family we chop amala with ewedu soup tire. We chop am to the chop. You understand? No be everybody go fit bear am. You understand? No be everybody go fit bear am. Okay, they come comot that time. Some comot with 1 year document, some comot with 2 years document. No, they don't get anything at all. When they reach there, they collect that one from them, they give them hope, say give them house, give them, they pay them every month, make them feel comfortable. Some self they want work, they'll say make them go their language first, make them go learn language first before they'll start work. They'll still go learn the language. Now the language that they learn, at the end, nothing for them. When you not check wetin me they try to talk so. Okay, now these children now when they carry they come now, how they want to cope? And the ones wey dey still born for there, they no even dey feel say this one na our children, this one dey born am for here. Okay, because of this pikin, at least the person not because of pounded yam chop soup, e go because of soup chop pounded yam. Na so e suppose to be. But no, they will just leave them like that. I don't know that una try to understand me, because I just dey see different faces wey be say we don't even forget say whether these people even dey exist. All of them don't come back now. I thank God, because those people when they carry come back, now the people when Italian people say make they carry come back. The people when Italian people say make they not carry come back, they don't carry them go back to Nigeria. So now so the thing just be, because they will call them say so person don't dey this country for so time. Una need her because we want deport. Italian will come say okay bring, they'll come bring they come. Sometimes Italian will say abeg will not bring, they'll come deport those people to Africa back. Now so the thing they work. So all these people wey park on are the people wey Italian people say they need. Sometimes I too much like this Italian country where I dey so. Because this country, if you fit stay for this country, nowhere you no fit stay for the world. Italian people, they will tell you ho ha. They know they even they do and say they'll come pretend, come tell you say I'll give you house, I will feed your pikin. They'll tell you say niente, no help, nothing. You are on your own. Now you know the way you take maneuver yourself. And if you say may you still look, I know say many people go attack me for this one. Italian people, now the people will be say that they do something pass for Africa. Despite say as this country have rich. You know say this country that they call her Ewiyomo. Now mama country be this. If now groundnut you they say, you go prosper. If now corn you they say, you go prosper. So now mama country. Many people will say that they Canada, that they London today. anything they get for Africa na wetin they don acquire for Italy before they comot na they get. I know say una go come attack me, una no attack me o. Na wetin I see I dey talk o, and some people go still agree with me, people wey dey talk truth. You understand? Some people when they don comot finish, you know say sometimes they'll say if you follow one place look down, so you know they know as e be. So some people wan follow here look am, follow here look am, they go know say na Italy be the best. Yes, Italy is the best. It's the best. Yes, I've been here for years. I dey see things, I dey hear wetin dey happen for other places. You understand? People when they talk say Italy be the best, they know why they talk am. We your mama, anything you buy, you put am for fire. You 1 naira, you don't use na take cook, poof, eat for pot. You understand? Bringing these people to Italy now, not be say to bring them be the thing, still go say they not carry them go Africa. But the children, they feel am. My friend call me yesterday. He dey tell me say pikin no dey fit cope up for school. They say me pikin wey suppose to don dey class now, go learn go language school to take catch up, to take meet up for class. You understand wetin I dey try to talk? My friend call me now say no, I go do this video today because e get as e be. The same German and they will say person dey kolo. Every Nigeria people wey don dey Germany now, 50% of them they say they dey kolo. The way they carry go Nigeria, they carry go. The way they carry come Italy, they carry go come Italy. Italian people, if you get children for this Italy country, they know they carry you go anywhere. As far as that children, that they look. No matter what you go do, they'll look your children. Say, okay, because of these children are here. It dey hard. Except say the person can't do what they not supposed to do before they say, okay, may una just come out with your children. It dey hard. And these children wey be say that they carry comot for Germany, so the children no dey happy. They sad because now you know say like this Italian country, once you don start primary 1, your pikin dey primary 1, they no dey change the class as they do for Africa. Now that primary 1, the same people when they dey primary 1 together, they'll go primary 2 together, they'll go primary 3 together till primary 5, and the same teacher. It dey hard before they change teacher. The same teacher now go lead them. You don't already know their weak points. You don't know how to tackle them. Because bringing another teacher come, it will affect the children. And changing them from their class will affect their friendship. Okay, children when they come carry come up for Germany, come Italy now. When be say to come make new friend again now, it go be wahala for these children. So the children they feel am. Because any place where they born pikin, I not lie to you guys. The pikin they like that country well. All those children when they born for Germany, when they pack come Italy, so they like Germany well. They like am. They bringing them to Italy to come start afresh again. The thing they affect the children. Like my children now, when me born for here, if I know they talk about this country. If I talk am, sometimes I'll tell them say you are Nigeria. They'll say no, mommy. Yes, I know I'm in Nigeria, but I'm Italian. Per forza sono italiano. Now some of my children they tell me, they say they are Italian children by force. By force, they are Italian children. If even they say you be so person, they'll tell you say no. By force, they are from this country. And the same thing with children when they born for Germany. And you just come they remove them. Like say maybe in a condition, now the father say maybe they relocate the parents, they go make the children understand. Say okay, we they relocate because of this, because of that. Just carry the children come out like that. When the children never get notified, they know that they ask their parents, Daddy, where are we going? What is going on? You go say not be my fault or my pikin. Now the country where we do so they say more can come out. Country where they born pikin. How you expect say that pikin go feel now? I'm on a reason. Without say they not notified, they sugarcoat the children. Say, okay, we dey relocate to another country. Oh, I beg, Mona bear with me. Oh, mo will relocate because of this reason, because of that reason. The children go see they consider am. Then one day you just say they'll just knock door. They say at midnight until they come around 12. They'll just knock. Then they'll just grab them. Either they see themselves for Italy or they go see themselves for Nigeria. It's somehow my people. Mona still reason now. You understand? Maybe they see the calculator. But anybody come to your country, if you don't want that person, just give the person 3 weeks or 1 month. Abeg, we don't want you come out. They go come out. Not be say you don't. The way even the worst pass for instance, na some way be say they don't carry 2 years documents take on the country. They will collect the 2 years document for their hand. They give them money, give them house, tell me they go language school. At the end, they don't suffer go learn the Dutch language finish. At the end, they'll say they don't welcome them, make them come out. their document don expire, because for this Italian country, and most of them na from this country dem from dey comot, and this Italian country, once your document don pass 3 months wey e take expire, e dey take the grace of God before dem renew am for you. Then after your document don expire with 1 year 2 years, dem come tell you say dem no welcome you. Where you wan for start for to get your document back? Because dem dey give you hope say no worry, we we'll work towards it. You go carry your money wey dem say dey give you, go take dey pay private lawyer. Some people go tell me say they pay lawyer 2,000, 1,500 for their case. At the end, na that do then they say that they give them. Mona check with you, they try to talk, so Mona reason with me. You understand? Because when something is getting too much, it's getting too much. Children when they don't carry, when they get their belle come up for here, go born for Jamie, all of them now they hear, they know they even they hear the language. For school now, na wahala. Teachers they complain. That is the ones wey still get local wey they still come here o. So now they go land themselves for Nigeria. Then they relocate. That make many people relocate. If you wan blame them, we'll blame them small, because everybody know as this country be that year. I thank God say everything does see the better now. You understand? So this one another lesson. If you go any only say they know they tell them. Like say they tell them 1 month. I don't believe say they will see they hold their ground. 1 month they drive them comot for house. 1 month they no give them any money. They go carry their car comot. They drive them comot for house. They no give them any money. They no see money take lawyer say they wan go fight the do. They go carry their car comot. Yes. No be say una no want person, una dey give the person house, una say dey give the person money, we no want you, we no want you. The person go dey feel say maybe they go change their mind, maybe they go change their mind, maybe they go change their mind. At the end, na as they talk am, na so dem still stand put. You go see some people with children, they no fear, no let them go sleep house, make dem no come in the night come carry them. Na so they pack children, dey run up and down from pillar to pole for Europe. They go dey sleep from one friend house to the other because of say make dem no come kolobi them for nights. Mona check out. It's getting too much. Kolo. This one kolo, that one kolo, that one kolo. Waiting. But I don't understand wetin really dey happen. I beg. Because I just see new faces, people wey we don see for years. All of them don come, their children don grow. Both the children wey dem say born for the gem itself, dem pack all of them come. Wetin? I first talk if you no because of soup shop Padenya, you go because Padenya shop soup. You go because of the children wey be say dem still born for that country. Because you no fit say make mama comot make pikin stay. Who wan take care of that pikin? Nobody go wan leave the pikin. So make dem try. Make dem try. If na to put that law say, okay, as e come be now, anybody wey go come seek asylum for Germany under 1 month, you don know your fate, e just better. Under 1 month, you don know whether they go accept you to stay or you no go stay. I see dey talk, I no blame them. Na where we from dey come. If house good for person, wetin go make person dey kpekpilo dey go for everywhere? Everybody go stay in lane. You understand? Na so that man that day, that Ghana man, they deport am with 3 children. You understand? Those children now, they be born me for Germany, now they talk. The time when they first start this thing, when they first deport that woman with 4 children, be 3, now so all of us talk. The woman they change country. The woman they do this. All of us shook our mouth, put to her hair. Mr. Joy that time. The woman do this one. Why the woman change country? He born one for Italy. He born one for Germany. He born one for Swiss. And I concern. And why go they change? But na condition. But that will not see the woman saying go there with documents. Now later we come dey hear the full story say the woman go there with documents. With 1 year, be 2 years document. They come fair wait, make the woman document fair expire before they come bundle the woman come out. You can just tell the person say, abeg, we no welcome you under 1 month. At least if na 2 months, make they say put am. No be 1 year, no be 2 years, no be 3 years. Your family don call you. I dey for Germany o. Na Germany I dey live for this and this. Many people wanna just dey see for that Germany now. They no get documents again, and when they go with their documents. They just dey there, they cover up. They no get documents again. Many they no get documents again. Some get but the ones wey no get na many pass. Now some guys dey come in now say they wan relocate back to Italy, and then they find house, make they rent 1 room, make they say adote start their life again now after how many years. So their documents sef e don expire. They wan come dey take lawyer now, dey spend money for lawyer, dey do this, dey do that. And they say if you fit read that gem, it doesn't mean if you go learn their language. Okay, their language wey they come learn now, where they want for come speak the language? Abi na this Italy they come dey speak Dutch language, because Italy we get our Italian language wey we dey speak for here. Abi na Nigeria wey we dey speak our dialect and our English language and our pidgin English language, then they wan go dey speak for, they wan follow dey speak am. Okay, that school wey they come tell dem say make dem go, wetin they come dey go that school for? As e be say dem don tell dem say learn the language, you just learn language. Okay, na language dem go use that money wey dem dey pay dem every month take learn for 2 years just to learn Dutch language. Na dem pay dem for. Maybe na that one, I think say na that one na dem pay dem for, because nothing more, nothing more. So my people, make I tell you, na Italian country na very good country o. Many people go talk am na, una know na very good country wey be say dem go accept you, you go do your thing. Many people no get doku, they dey here for years, you no go even know say dem no get doku. Dem no dey run comot for house, dem dey waka for street. Eke no go just see you just begin dey ask you say where your doku, where your doku. No, nothing like that. Dem no just dey ask or dey run up and down. I even hear say they say for that place sef, if you no get doku, you no fit waka anyhow. If not if Eke gbab you. But here dem dey waka. But not be say dem no see dey deport for here o. Dem see dey deport, but jama own sef e come too much. Dem go say you be this, dem go say you dey kolo, dem go say you be that. Dem go even carry person wey get belle. One woman now, e call me for midnight, she dey pregnant. E say dem say make e comot for this country. The woman dey run up and down now, e dey run up and down now. E say where e wan carry belle run go now, dem say make e comot. E dey find where she wan relocate to now with pregnancy. You understand? I know say our Nigeria people, I know say some people come say attack me for here. I know say our Nigeria people, we don see dey do some kind things wey be say we not supposed to do. I know, but no be all now. Law must be law for everybody. Anybody wey any Nigeria person wey be say e do wetin e no supposed to do, e face the consequences. No be say other people come dey pay Paul for Peter. Abi how they still dey speak the Igbo, me I no call tongue. Wetin some people just dey, they just want to be a good citizen, they just want to be a good people, they come dey use other people until they rob them. Anybody wey do anything, the person go for it. Because I know say a time dey wey be say our people come dey do one kind, they come dey do like television wey e no clear, they do am well, so the German they no dey happy. I know say na that one join, but law must still stand, because there are still so many good people out there. You understand? The way just dey pay me pass for inside na the children na be wetin dey pay me pass, because these children coming back to Italy to come dey wan just dey class with my pikin. That one wey dey class with my pikin now, if dem wan teach dem, dem dey put am for corner. You no dey follow dem learn wetin dem learn, because e no know the direction. Then later you come still go language school. That one no be many people na dem see the direct person dey come, dey say come o, e dey happen for here o, na here for dey happen o, do this o, if you just come here they'll just give you house. Even me sef dey tell me that time, but I come look and say make I just manage myself for here, because something come dey tell me say no comot. I no like to na because say I arrange my kanya make I comot before, but my husband say no, we just dey manage and things go dey okay. You understand? That make me not comot. So like say me come still comot now, so therefore don package me now go back to Nigeria, or package me come back to Italy. I come dey find where me and my children wan stay and all that. It's somehow people wey comot that time na condition na make dem comot, because at a time this Italy come get as e be, work no dey anywhere. Even the Italian people sef dem no get work, dem dey shout that time. But I thank God say everything don dey good now. So everything don dey good now. So na make people comot that time say okay, and since na Germany now, people dey go there, dey go work. But e come be like say dem don take enough people wey dem want. So the other people they just dey gbele dem throway. But even if say you don take enough people wey you want, other as far as una don take enough people wey una want, other people wey dey come in 1 month, na don tell dem say you are not welcome here, so that they go find their way. At least the ones wey get 1 year, dem come 1 month, na tell dem say you are not welcome here, e still get space. You go come back, come arrange yourself again. You understand? No be say after una don collect their document, don worry, it is well, pay dem money, give dem house, at the end no way. I know say many people wey don already tey for the country, wey don get their kpali, wey don get their document, go dey support say wetin dey do good, but una still think about una brother o, una think about una sister o, una be una brother's keeper. No say because say you don dey okay, you don get the document, you don get everything, as dem wan do the rest make dem do dem. Our black people own too much. I know say many people go talk am, but no, make you no reason am like that too. E no mean say because say e good for you now, you no go think about your brother, you no go think about your sister. Because many people in Germany now, many of our people, they just dey under depression now. They dey reason how dem wan waka their life. They no know. You understand? So more na still dey reason dem. If there is una wey be say una don already get the document, wey be say una say na e happen, e good as dem do am. More na still go tell the German people say make dem still take the good ones wey never commit anything, make dem still reason those people too, and make dem reason the children too, because e dey affect dem. E dey affect dem. Wetin make me just do this video na because of the children wey dem pack come Italy now. The thing dey affect dem for school, e dey really dey affect dem. Maybe the one e dey primary 2 before, e gat to go back to primary 1. That one no be setback. The time when all your mates go take dey graduate, you dey there because say dem deport you come back to Italy. But Italian people welcome them, but e good to be good. So my Italian people, I thank una so much. Una do well for our body. I know say nowhere perfect too. Italian people, they are good people, because if you see wetin dey happen to for the world now, especially European country, you go know say Italian country na one of the best country wey dey accommodate me I no cut tongue, wey dey accommodate people. You understand? Because they say if you no marry 2 wife, you no go know which one good pass. So people wey don comot for Italy, they like to come back, but to come back e no go easy, because one, they don close their house, they don pack their property comot. So to come back come start afresh again, e go hard them. But some still dey come back o. No be say they no dey come back, they still dey welcome them back. So na this one I just get to talk o. I say make I also talk am. Why I do this video na because of the children and because of people wey dey relocate. So my people, before you go any country, before you relocate to any country, first go look the history of that country. Look the history of that country, if na country wey you fit relocate, because na that their history now you fit know how the country be. Not say because say dem nyenye 2,000 they pay family, or 3,000 they pay family, you say make you run go. When dem knack you akpako, you go hear am. My friend travel to Sweden. I like Sweden too. My friend travel to Sweden. In short, my twin sister, she travel to Sweden. She go Sweden, she get 11 months document to expire. Now she take go Sweden. When she reach Sweden, she go there, they can't carry her sit down. They tell her after 1 month, then they carry her sit down. Then they tell her say they no accept her for Sweden, that she go need to come back to Italy. Then she come to say she no like to come back to Italy because something like pursue her comot for Italy. She just dey face some kind wahala for Italy wey be say she come say okay make she relocate. That's why she relocate. They say they no gree, she must have to comot. This one they carry her sit down, they tell her when they say she not ready to comot, they come say they give her 6 days to take go for appeal to see if they will reconsider her or no. After that 6 days, she see lawyer, she go for appeal again. They tell her say no, she no fit stay the country. She just carry her kanya come back to Italy, and now she is doing fine. She renew her document, she's working now, everything is okay. The wahala wey e get that time, everything come solve, everything is okay for her. Wetin they use how they try to talk be say if German fit dey do like Sweden, e go good. Don't just tell you hold her say we no accept you, okay we give you 1 week of appeal, they no still accept you, you still get more chance to go back to any country wey you wan go and do wetin you wan do. Already you don know say they no accept you. That's why she take come back. But like say na Jamie na that my friend go that time, oh that are 11 months for expire for her hand. They will give her house, they feed her pikin money and all that, and at the end you come see say her document go expire. They come tell her say they no accept her. Where she want for start? So if Germans fit dey do like Sweden, say make dem dey quick dey make the people dey understand say we no accept you, go back, e go dey more better. You understand? E go dey more better for them. Because my friend bin don enter one chance, but thank God say Sweden dey quick tell her and she come back. So many people don dey Germany like that, wey be say their 3 years, their 2 years document don expire for a very long time. They no fit come back again. How they want for start? Because for Italy here, 3 months you no come, your document e don go be that. They don cancel am comot for system. E dey take the grace of God before you fit get your document back, and that time you go spend a lot of money. So if they fit dey do like this, I believe say e go dey okay for people. You understand? And not be say dem full be the thing o. The thing be say the children, dey affect the children, e dey affect their education level. Abi how dem dey talk am, me I no cut tongue. E dey affect them. So they need to do something about it. You understand? Make dem quick dey let the parents dey know, so that they'll know where they wan go and where they wan for start for their life. Well, may I stop this video for here? E don too long. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for watching. If you watched to the end, thank you and God bless you. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we put video for here. And remember, your sister, your friend, your pikin, your girl, anyone you call me, I did there for you. Thank you, thank you. And please share this video so that our people go learn before you relocate. Look the background of the country when you go. Thank you and God bless you.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will see you through.